Okay, this is the nuprol Raven EU18. So it's the 18, which is the semi and full automatic version Glock. Very, very similar polymer to the WE, and a very, very similar slide action. You've obviously got semi there and full automatic. Metal upper, very good polymer base. Very similar gas mags to the WE, although WE mags don't fit. And it does come with a nozzle and seal kit, and it comes with the backings for the handle. I have chronoed this gun, and it does chrono at about 300 or just less than 300 FPS. Okay, thanks for watching.